Good morning, grade 8. Today we will be marking the answers based on the previous listening tests. Our first listening activity, Classroom Activity 1 on page 90. The first question, how many African rhinos had been killed by the end of 2011? The answer, more than 300. Number 2, why are rhinos being poached? They are killed for their horns, which are worth more than gold. Number 3, how long have rhinos roamed the earth? More than 50 million years. Number 4, is the following statement true or false? The rhino population is increasing as rhino poaching is decreasing. Give a reason for your answer based on the listening text. Answer, false. Poaching is increased by 35% per year. And 5, select the correct answer. South Africa possesses 85 or 35% of all rhinos left worldwide, and the answer is 85%. Let's look at the second listening test. Classroom Activity 1, page 136. Number 1. Give the names of the 3 characters in the dialogue. Answer, Nomza, Julie, and Sipho. Number 2. Where is the school that is mentioned in the dialogue? It is located in 10th Avenue. Number 3. In your own words, write down what the girls said happened at the school. The girls said that the school was burned down to the ground. All the classrooms were destroyed, and 3 children who were trapped in one of the classrooms burned to death. 4. Who, according to the girls, is responsible for the tragedy? Answer, Themba. 5. Why did the person cause the tragedy? He was caught smoking dagga. 6. What is the boys' version of the story? There was no fire at the school. The fire started in the kitchen of the house next door, and it was caused by an electrical fault. Nobody was hurt in the incident. The third listening test, Classroom Activity 1, found on page 151. Number 1. What would the writer of the letter like Tshwane Metro Council to do? The answer, to build a park in Mamelodi Sun Valley. Number 2. Why does the writer want the Tshwane Metro Council to do what he or she asks? It will stop illegal dumping in the area where the park should be. Number 3. Which amenities would the writer like to have in his community? Includes the following: grass in the park, trees, park benches, rubbish bins, play equipment for children, a fence around the park, and braai facilities. Then number 4, the residents of Mamelodi Sun Valley have been waiting for 15 years for their city councillor to comply with their request. What does this statement reveal about the city councillor? The answer, the city councillor does not consider the residents' request important. It should also suggest that he or she is not concerned about the residents. It could also suggest that he does not take up his duties as city councillor seriously. Number 5, is the request of the residents reasonable or not? Give a reason for your answer. It is a reasonable request because provision has been made for the proposed park according to a map of the township. An area was located for a park. And then number 6, what kind of language is used in the letter? Choose one of the following options, formal or informal, and the answer is formal language.